Ever find yourself mired in a sea of digital clutter, struggling to locate that one crucial file amidst the chaos? Well, it might be time to rethink the way files and folders are managed on your Windows system. Today, we dive into the art of file management, breaking it down into easy-to-digest, actionable steps. In the grand scheme of digital organization, think of your computer as a virtual office. Just as you wouldn't leave a pile of papers scattered about your physical desk, the same should apply to your digital workspace. The first step towards efficient file management is to develop a clear, well-structured filing system. This can mean creating main folders for broad categories like work, personal, entertainment, and then subdividing them into more specific folders. For instance, under work, there might be folders named projects, invoices, contracts, and so on. This hierarchical structure mirrors how we process information, making it intuitive and user-friendly. Next, it's all about consistency. Consistency in file naming conventions, consistency in folder structures, and consistency in file formats. Decide on a system that works best and stick to it. If you're working on a project, for instance, you might name your files as project name _date version. This way, even without opening a file, you know what it contains. Remember, your computer isn't a storage locker. It's a tool for productivity. Regularly review and clean up your files. Delete duplicates, archive old files, and clear your downloads folder. Tools like Disk Cleanup, built right into your Windows system, can help you reclaim storage space. Now, we've all been there, frantically searching for a file we just can't seem to find. That's where Windows Search comes in. By typing in the search bar, you can find files and folders by their names or even the content within them. It's like having a personal librarian at your fingertips. And finally, consider utilizing the power of cloud storage. Services like OneDrive allow you to access your files from any device, anywhere. Plus, in the event of a system crash, your files are safe and sound in the cloud. To sum up, the key to smooth file management on your Windows system is a structured filing system, consistency, regular cleanup, effective use of search tools, and leveraging cloud storage. By incorporating these steps into your digital routine, you're well on your way to a clutter-free, organized workspace. So, bid adieu to the endless scrolling and welcome the ease of finding exactly what you need when you need it.